Here we go, money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother bringing you those bangers. Today we're going to be talking about some stock market drama that's been going on with this particular ticker. Okay, now before we get into it, please take some time to subscribe to the channel and also hit that like button because it really helps my channel with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so let's take care of some business and then we're going to get right into it. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about making that money, investing in stocks, and of course making more money. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all get that paper together. If you want to support the channel, hit up the Patreon, and as a bonus you get real-time alerts of when I enter and when I exit my stocks. It's an easy way for you to see what I'm doing and to follow along. We're getting that paper, baby. Now the stock that we're going to be talking about is Chamber Energy, ticker symbol CEI. Now this stock closed at $1.71 today and it was down almost 4%. Now they had a loss of 7 cents for the day. Now there's been a lot of drama going on with this stock, and I know a lot of you shareholders are hurting right now. We're gonna see if we can shed some light on what's going on with this stock. All right. Now, according to the website for Chamber Energy, it states that they are a growth-oriented organization that is leveraging the relationships and expertise of its professionals to build a diversified energy and power solutions company to help service the needs of energy users in North America. Now, if we look at the one-year chart for Chamber Energy, we can see that back on August 19th, which was really recent, this stock actually was at 34 cents. Now they've had an incredible run, and as you can see on this chart, on September 30th the stock closed at $3.82. okay, now we can see that the stock tanked back on October 6th when they closed at 91 cents. So I know a lot of shareholders are hurting right now, and so we're going to talk about, why the stock tanked and what's going on with the stock. Now, what happened with this stock is really tragic, and I've been there before. I mean, people have lost their life savings. I mean, they lost their children's college funds, and I mean, it's a shame what happened. So let's try to figure out what's going on with this. So like I said, I've definitely been there before. So my heart goes out to the shareholders that are being affected by what's going on. Now, a firm called Kerrisdale Capital dropped a newsletter, and this is what really tanked the stock. Now, this newsletter is about 25 pages long, but we're going to read the first page because it's really important for us to know what's going on and what they said. Okay, so now it says, what if they made a whole company out of red flags? We are short shares of Chamber Energy. Chamber is a defunct oil producer that has failed to file financial statements with the SEC since September 2020. Is in danger of having a stock delisted next month, and just fired its accounting firm in September. Its only real asset is a 73% stake in Viking Energy, an OTC traded company with negative book value and an ongoing concern warning that recently violated the maximum leverage covenant on one of its loans. In parentheses, it says for a time it also had a fake CFO, and it says long story. Nonetheless, Chamber's stock price has increased by 6 times over the past month. Last week, astonishingly, an average of $1.9 billion worth of Chamber shares changed hands every day. It continues to say that, is there any logic to this bizarre frenzy? Chamber's pumpers have seized upon the notion that the company is now a play on carbon capture and clean energy, citing a license agreement recently entered by Viking. but the ESG clean energy technology license is a joke. Not only is it tiny relative to Chamber's market cap, costing only $5 million and granting exclusivity only in Canada, but it has embroiled Chamber in a long-running escapades of a Western Massachusetts family that once claimed to have created a revolutionary new combustion engine, only to wind up being penalized by the SEC for raising $80 million in unregistered security offerings, often to unaccredited investors, and spending much of it on themselves. Now it says, but the most fascinating part of the CEI boondoggle actually has to do with something far more basic. How many shares are there? And why has dilution been spiraling out of control? We believe the market is badly mistaken about Chamber's share structure and ignorant of its terrifying capital structure. In fact, we estimate its fully diluted share count is roughly triple the widely reported number, bringing its true fully diluted market cap absurdly to nearly 900 million. Since Chamber is delinquent on its financials, its investors have failed to fully appreciate the impact of its ongoing issuance of unusual, highly dilutive class of convertible preferred stocks. As a result of this death spiral, preferred Chamber has already seen its share count increase 50 million fold from early 2016 to July 2021, and we believe it isn't over yet, as preferred holders can and will continue to convert their securities and sell the resulting common shares. Oh man, a lot of stuff right there, right? Crazy. Now this stock has had a roller coaster ride all this week. It's been up and down. I mean, it's been crazy. Okay. Now an article came out on Market Watch. Now this article says Chamber Energy shares continue bumpy ride with 30% jump in after hours trading. Now according to the company, in after hours it had jumped over 30% because they indicated that they did not have any plans to reverse split the stock. Okay, so that definitely bumped the stock up. But again, it's been up and down. Okay. Now to make matters worse, we have a whole bunch of law firms investigating Chamber Energy. Man, it's crazy. Now the vultures are coming out, and they're really trying to kill this company, in my opinion. I mean, in my opinion, they're just trying to get paid themselves. And 9 times out of 10, I mean, the shareholders come out with pennies, and these lawyers make all the money. All right, so unless you got millions of dollars invested in this company, it's not even worth your time. All right. So again, I feel for you guys that lost their money. You know, hopefully this will turn around. So the question is this a meme stock? You know, is Chamber Energy a victim of a pump and dump, or are they a victim of this short seller? So what do you think? Do you think this stock is gonna bounce back? But anyway, only time will tell. So again, good luck to the shareholders. You know, keep your heads up. Hopefully this turns out well for you guys. You guys can recoup your money, and we'll see what happens. So that's all I got for you guys for today. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that like button because it really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to hit up the Patreon if you want to support the channel and get those alerts. And thank you for those that have already done so. So until next time, let's get that paper.
Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it.